So next up is Lego Deep Sea Adventure, which was closed for all of 2024 for a major refurbishment. So let's go and take a look and see what it looks like for 2025.
Yeah, they've got things I've never seen before. That light skylight thing is crazy. He said that's quite...
You can join our latest super exciting mission and board one of our adventure submarines to dive to the deepest depths of the sea in search of sunken treasure, real sea creatures, and to discover the Lost City of Atlantis.
Up into the deepest, darkest recesses of the Sea Life Aquarium.
Hold on to your bricks, recruits. We're ready to dive.
Hey recruits! Check out all of the colorful corals around you. Fun fact, coral reefs form the home for hundreds or even thousands of sea creatures, all living together. Reefs are also one-quarter of all marine life. In fact, corals are sea creatures too, called polyps. They're usually found in these kind of tropical waters.
Whoa. Our systems are showing we're right on track to find Atlantis. We're off to a flying fish start. Descending deeper now. And welcome to the deep sea. Ah, some more of our dive team are out here looking for Atlantis, lost treasures in the ocean, and spotting super cool sea creatures.
The water is full of life and Atlantean treasure. Keep an eye open for lurking sharks. Some like to fly around on the sea. Sharks. Awesome fact. Sharks have been on here longer than dinosaurs.
Don't forget about the Elmo Stingrays. They're pretty cool too. They swim in groups and use their wings to kick up the sand and find hidden food.
Brace yourselves, explorers. We're approaching Atlantis. Yay! Yes! Yippee!
I think this is the best aquarium I've ever been to. Really cool. Very mellow. That's Irish.
I'm guessing the fish sometimes.
Whoa! That was amazing!
Did you spot our divers out there working hard on protecting all the sea life in the deep sea? Awesome job, team!
Congratulations, explorers! Our mission to discover Atlantis and the treasures of the deep sea has been a success. It's time to head back up.
What did you think of that?
Really good. Really good.
Just nerding out at the mechanism above.
Yeah.